Hey everyone, welcome! We've got some exciting stuff to dive into today. The September market numbers are in, and they're pointing to some big shifts. We're moving toward a more normal market, and that's great news for buyers. Inventory is creeping up, so it's the perfect time to find some deals. But sellers, this means it's time to step up your game. Make sure you're putting your best foot forward.
Yeah, and if you're a rehabber or wholesaler, listen up. This shift is huge for you. You need to stay sharp so you don't overpay when buying or overprice when selling. And I always think about something a good friend of ours, Viju Kutungal, says. When you try to sell yourself on the numbers, you've already lost. Seriously, keep that in mind as we go through today's numbers.
Absolutely. Let's talk about the stats that really matter. Inventory in the under $500,000 price range in Miami-Dade decreased by 4% year-over-year from October 2023 to September 2024. What does that mean for you? It shows prices are moving up, crossing into the next price bracket. So, if you can snag a property with upside in this range, you're going to do well.
And trust us, it's not just numbers on paper. We've seen this in action. We partnered on a deal in this price range, bought it in August, and sold it in September. It's an active market for sure.
Now let's jump up to the next price range, $500,000 to $800,000. This is where things get really interesting. Inventory in Miami went up by 22%, and in Broward, a staggering 36%. Remember, while the overall inventory is still over 20% lower than pre-COVID levels, these increases are pushing us into a more balanced and competitive market.
And you know what that means? More opportunities for buyers and more decisions for sellers. Days on market are telling a wild story too. Remember February 2019? The average was 45 days on market, then early 2020 hit, and it jumped to 74 days. But by May 2022, we were down to just 13 days.
Yeah, that was a crazy time. And then, by July 2024, the number was at 30 days, and in September, we jumped to 48 days on market. Now that uptick isn't just because summer ended. September was the first full month after the National Association of Realtors settlement, which meant some changes for real estate professionals. We'll know more about how that impacted things by the fourth quarter.
And of course, you want to know about prices. The September median single-family price in Miami-Dade was $657,500. It was $660,000 in July, and back in January it was $620,000. Over in Broward, September's median was $615,000, down from June's $635,000, but still up from January's $569,500. So there's a bit of downward pressure, but overall prices are holding steady when you compare them to the start of the year.
So if you're investing right now, these trends are crucial. Study the market, know the numbers, and jump on those inventory increases. This is the time to make offers and take advantage of the shifts happening in real estate.
And speaking of being prepared, don't forget about DREIA's upcoming two-day event. If you want hands-on, interactive learning, not just long lectures, this is the event to attend. You'll meet top success team members, and there's even a special segment on AI that'll take your investing game to the next level.
Don't miss your chance. Register now at DREIA.com. Lock in your spot, get ready to network, learn, and grow. The market's evolving, and you need to be ready to evolve with it. Sign up today, and we'll see you there.